Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class. Subject intelligent test and the topic is emotional intelligence. This is very important as per the personality point of view, as per the moral thinking point of view. Okay, how you are thinking about your emotions and how your response to your society or to your friends or to your colleagues or in your schools or in your home. That is very important through the moral point of view. Okay, so knowing the unknowing and deliberate efforts by their school's home surrounding environment while nurturing the school inculcations the moral values. This is very important. Moral values is of utmost importance. Respects for elders, sympathy for animals, sensitivity, control over anger, accepting own mistakes. This is also the very important. Accepting our own mistakes, not getting disappointed by the failure. This is also the very important point. Praising friends for their achievements, not getting jealous of anyone. Sportsmanships, or we can say the sportsman spirit, at most be at the home, relationship with relatives and the neighbors, etc., etc., etc. So all these factors helps in development of emotional intelligence. Okay, in short, EI. Okay, so how you are responding for this all the things at per your surrounding things, that we are going to check through the exams or through the questions. Okay, so question number 1 is there: you and your friends participated in a elocution competition. You stood second and your friends stood first. How will you feel? So judges were in favor of your friends. Are you talking about this one? Decision is unfair. You are thinking that the decision whatever you had taken by the judges are unfair. No, you should not be, because you should not be jealous. Then friends fathers knows the panel of the judges personally. Are you thinking about this one? No. Then what you will do? You think that you took less efforts than the your friends. Yes, that is a positively you are taking this one. Okay, so option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 2: during kabaddi matches Raju's team has lost, so Raju didn't have his lunch. How you will console or explain about him? Okay, so the best player of the team was unwell, umpire's decision was wrong, losing and winning is part of the game, never play kabaddi again. No, in this one. So in this one, option number 3 means losing and winning is a part of the game. Yes, don't be disappointed. We have to take it that as a sports. Okay, so in sports, one person or one team maybe lose but another one will be the win, means by either win or either lose. These are the two sides, or either. Okay, so take it as a game. Okay, so option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 3: your classmate Rohan is always quiet and does not talk with anybody. What is your opinion? So you ignore him and say he has attitude. No, should not be. You think that he acts too smart. No, this is also the not incorrect, not correct answer. You will try to talk with him. Yes, you should. Then option number 4: he has proud of his father being a doctor, so you keep teasing. No, this is also the incorrect way. So the option number 3 is the correct way. Then question number 4: your parent did not take you to attend a marriage function due to your maths exam. What will you do? You will cry? No. Get angry? No. Will not go for exam? No, this one also incorrectly. You will study maths. Yes, because at that moment your exam, and particularly the maths exams, that is the importance. Okay, so you will study maths. Then question number 5: your father does not allow you to play on his mobile phone. What is your response? So you will hide his mobile? No, you should not. Then go to play on ground with friends? Yes. Then not speak with your father? No, this is incorrect way. Then not eating food, this is totally incorrect way, means option number 2 is a correct way. Okay, thank you.